Students, today we are going to discuss chapter 6. Topic is lines and angles, exercise 6.1. See, in your first sum, he is saying two line segments AB and CD intersect each other at O such that angle 1 and 2 together are making 70 degree. Angle BOD is 40 degree. You need to find angle 1 and reflex of this angle, angle 3. So how we will start the sum? Firstly, see, AB and CD intersect each other at O. So angle 2 will be equal to angle BOD. These two are vertically opposite angles. So angle 2 will be equal to 40 degree. Clear? Now angle 1 plus 2 is 70 degree. So put the value of angle 2, that is 40 degree. We will get angle 1 is equal to 30 degree. Angle 1 is 30 degree. See, AOB is a straight line. So sum of these three angles 1, 3 and 2, these three angles are 180 degree, straight line. 1 plus 2 is 70. This 70 will go to other side. It will become minus 70 and your answer of angle 3 is 110. But now our work is to find reflex of angle 3. If you want to find the reflex of any angle, subtract the value of angle from 360 degree. 360 minus 110, your answer will be 250. Reflex of angle 3 is 250. Is it clear? Give a 1 minute review to this sum. Students, now we are going to start with sum number 2. A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. You need to find C. See, XY is a straight line. This angle is 90. This is A, B and this is C. We need to find angle C. Angle C. Let A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. So A is 2x and B is 3x. Right? Angle POY is 90 degree. XOY is a straight line. If this is a straight line, sum of these three angles, this and this, XOY, A and B are 180. Measure of straight line. XOY is 90, A is 2x, B is 3x. 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. 5x is 90, value of x is 90 by 5, 18 degree. Clear? Now angle A is 2 into 18, 36. Angle B is 3 into 18, 54 degree. Our job is to find angle C. You can find angle C by using MON. MON is a straight line. So sum of these two angles B plus C is 180, linear pair. B is 54, value of C is 180 minus 54, that is equal to 126. Is it clear? Give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly. Yes, students, today we are going to start with sum number 3. See, in sum number 3, he is saying this angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Our job is to see whether angle 1 is equal to angle 2 or not. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT or not. I have marked angle PQS as angle 1, angle PRT as angle 2. See, this is a straight line. So angle 1 and PQR will together make 180 linear pair. We will find the value of angle PQR, that is 180 minus 1. Clear? Now similarly, angle 2 plus angle PRQ is 180 linear pair. Find the value of PRQ, 180 minus 2. Clear? But we have PQR is equal to PRQ. So what you will do, equating 1 and 2, we get both angles are equal, so we will equate these two values. 180 minus angle 1 is equal to 180 minus angle 2. 180 minus 1 minus 180 is equal to minus angle 2. 180 cancel. Minus minus cancel. Angle 1 is equal to 2. Angle 1 is angle PQS. Angle 2 is angle PRP. So these two angles are equal. Give a 1 minute review to this sum. Yes students, now we are going to start with sum number 4, exercise 6.1. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, show that AOB is a straight line. Angle x plus y is equal to w plus z. We need to find whether AOB is a straight line or not. When AOB will be a straight line? When x plus y is 180 or w plus z is 180. Right? Means linear pair from any one side should be 180. Clear? See students, you know x plus y plus w plus z is 360 degree. All these are making a circle. So this is complete angle. Now x plus y is equal to w plus z. So I am going to replace w plus z with x plus y because w plus z is equal to x plus y. 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. 2 common. X plus y is 360. X plus y is 360 by 2, 180. If x plus y is 180, x plus y is equal to w plus z. It will also be 180. See, linear pair from both sides has got 180 degree. So, if a line is having linear pair, it means that line AOB is a straight line. Clear? If sum of linear pair is 180, it means AOB is a straight line due to linear pair. Clear? Give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly. Yes students, now we are going to discuss sum number 5. He is saying, this is the diagram for sum number 5. This angle QOR is 90. If this angle is 90, it means this is understood that angle on the other side POR is also 90. He will not say, this is understood. Clear? Now his question is, he is saying to prove what he is asking. He is asking angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus POS. See 9th standard. What we will do? We will find QOS, we will find POS, then subtract them to reach this point. Clear? QOS. I am marking here angle 1. I am marking here angle 2. Clear? This angle POR is 90. This is angle 1. This portion is angle 2. So QOS. See the diagram. QOS. QOS is QOR plus angle 1. Clear? QOR is 90. Angle 1 is as it is. Clear? Let angle 1 is equal to x. Let angle 1 is x. So QOS is 90 plus x. This is 1. Now I am finding POS. POS. POS means this angle only. POS is full POR minus angle 1. POR is 90, angle 1 is x. This is 2. Clear? Now, according to 2 proof, we need to subtract QOS and POS. So, I am doing 1 minus 2. QOS minus POS is equal to 90 plus x minus 90 minus x. 90 plus x minus 90 plus x. 90 and 90 are cancelled. X and x is 2x. X is angle 1. Angle 1 is ROS. This 2 will go to other side. It will become 1 by 2. Half QOS minus POS is equal to ROS. Clear? Now give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly. Yes students. Now we are going to discuss sum number 6, exercise 6.1. He is saying angle XYZ is 64 degree. XY is extended to point P. Now he is saying this angle is bisected by the line YQ. Bisected means dividing it into equal parts. Means if this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, these two parts are equal, let it be XX. Now our job is to find angle XYQ, question mark, and reflex of angle QYP. These two angles. Angle 1 is 64 degree. Angle 2 and 3 are equal. Let these two angles are X. PYX is a straight line. So sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Angle 1 is 64 plus X is 180. 2X is 180 minus 64. 58. Angle 2, angle 3 both are equal to 58. Now his question is XYQ. XYQ is 1 plus 2. Angle 1 is 64. 2 is 58. You will get 122. Then reflex of QYP. Reflex of angle 3. Reflex of angle 3. 360 minus angle 3. 360 minus 58. Answer is 302. Clear? Give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly.